What's up guys, Mr. and Mrs. Stang here, back with another video. So for today's video, I'll be doing the install on some J-flaps splash guards in the front of my car. Pretty easy install, but since I got them in that surprise box video, I figured I would put them on for you guys and show you the process of that. These will fit 2005 to 2014 Mustangs, so in case you have one of those cars, this will be the same process. So let's get to it. I bought a set of the J Brothers splash guards. They only make the front ones, I believe. Well, I only saw the front ones, so I'm gonna install these ones. So before you start this, it will help to adjust your wheel to the right or the left. I think it's pretty good if you turn it in or out. You'll just have better space to these two screws. These will be the only two little screws you'll need to get. Now to take out these screws, it's very easy. All you gotta do is get a little flathead screwdriver and go over to the side where there's a little groove for it and just push it out. You just pull it out with your hand. Same thing for the other one. There will be only two of these. Bam. Simple. So if you notice, there's some grooves on the inside of your new splash guard that will hook into your wheel well right about here. Up in here and up in here. There'll be two. One for the bottom and one for the top. So you'll just line it up with those holes, and then you'll just want to push it in. You'll pretty much want to get it so it can hold without the screws at all. And then put your new screw back in, and all you do is just push it in. Want to make sure it clicks like that. Get your other one. There you go. Now, you just want to make sure that you're not going to rub if you have some aftermarket wheels or anything. Now, I am just on the fence of not rubbing, so luckily I am good on this side. Same process, take out the two screws in the beginning. Looks pretty good. It's nothing like too aggressive or anything. I just wanted like a little subtle little mud flap to protect the side of the car a little more. You know, and it already has a couple of scratches on the side, but this will help it from that lovely East Coast weather. Try and keep my paint a little bit better at least. It's pretty nice flush fitting. That will do it for the splash guard front install on my 2012 Mustang GT 5.0, baby. Alright guys, so that will do it for today's video. It was a short little install of some new splash guards that I got from my Mustang. Just trying to keep up with this East Coast weather because this car was born in California and is now officially an East Coast car. So I wanted to keep this paint nice and good on the side of the car, so I got some splash guards for it just to protect it from all the sticks and rain and whatnot that I'm not used to. But yeah, so that'll do it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the little splash guards, if it's lame or whatever, but I just want to keep the paint nice on the car. But yeah guys, please like and subscribe. If you're into Mustangs and you want to see more Mustang content, we'll be uploading every week, so you can keep up to date with that. Thanks for watching. Thanks again. Bye.